Hello everyone, my name is Ramkrishna Yadav and I am a student of MSc Dairy Technology from Institute of Agricultural Sciences BHU. Here in this presentation, I will be discussing about safety indicator organism Campylobacter jejuni. We will learn about the safety indicator organism Campylobacter jejuni under the following headings, which are like what is safety indicator organisms, roles of indicator species in food testing, factors considered in classifying an organism as an indicator, introduction to Campylobacter jejuni, association with foods, methods for identification and detection of Campylobacter. So, what is safety indicator organisms? Indicator organisms are used to assess overall sanitation or environmental conditions that may signal or indicate the potential presence of pathogens of food safety concern. Mainly, indicator species are used because current test methods for pathogens can be costly and time consuming, making it highly inefficient to test large batches of product or environmental samples. Indicator species, on the other hand, can be tested for with relative ease and act as an early warning system that can signal contamination issues and the need for further diagnostic testing. Roles of indicator species in food testing. Indicator species have two major roles in food testing. First one is quality. Indicator species used to assess spoilage like mold growth, and the second one is safety. The presence of indicator species can signal environmental conditions hospitable to the growth of pathogens or the presence of fecal contamination in the environment. What are the factors considered in classifying an organism as an indicator? Depending on their application, the major factors considered in classifying an organism as an indicator may include their strong association with fecal contamination, their cohabitation with pathogens of concern, simple and efficient testing procedure. Introduction to Campylobacter jejuni. Campylobacter are the major group of bacteria responsible for foodborne gastroenteritis in humans worldwide. Campylobacters are members of the family Campylobacteriaceae. These bacteria are gram-negative bacilli and can be spiral-shaped, S-shaped or curved. Most exhibit characteristic corkscrew motility mediated by polar flagella. A cell may possess either single polar flagellum or two at both ends of the cell. Campylobacter species require a microaerobic atmosphere containing 5 to 10% carbon dioxide and 3 to 5% oxygen for their growth. Most species are thermophilic with an optimal temperature of 42 degrees centigrade. Let's see how Campylobacter species are associated with foods. Most Campylobacter species are zoonotic and many food animals carry the bacterium asymptomatically. Poultry and poultry products are the main means of Campylobacter transmission to humans. Other foods such as red meat, unpasteurized raw milk, fresh produce, and contaminated water may also harbor the pathogen. Due to the specific atmospheric and temperature requirement of Campylobacter species, they are not capable of growing and multiplying in foods. However, they have a low infective dose of about 500 to 1000 cells and a high pathogenicity, meaning that only a few cells are sufficient to cause disease. Microbiological standards for Campylobacter specify that the bacterium should not be present in a 25-gram sample of ready-to-eat foods. Methods for identification and detection of Campylobacter. Culture-based methods. Culture-based techniques for isolation and detection of Campylobacter from foods are described by the guidelines of International Standard Organization, which is mentioned below. The pathogen is isolated by culturing on selective media followed by incubation at 41.5 degrees centigrade for 44 hours under microaerobic conditions. Food and environmental samples need an additional pre-enrichment step designed to facilitate the recovery of damaged cells. Enrichment is done using a selective enrichment broth medium which is then incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 5 hours. Clinical samples can be cultured directly onto selective media. Following isolation, Campylobacter identification is carried out based on their morphological, biochemical, and growth characteristics. Most used identification schemes include gram staining and biochemical tests such as catalase, oxidase, hepurate hydrolysis, and nitrate nitrite reduction. Several selective agars designed to isolate Campylobacter colonies are commercially available. These media contain various selective agents, most of which are antibiotics that suppress the growth of other enteric bacteria. Pre-enrichment media contain ingredients that protect the cells from the damaging effect of toxic oxygen derivatives. These includes lysed or defibrinated blood, charcoal, a combination of ferrous sulfate, sodium metabisulfite, and sodium pyruvate. Although these culture-based methods are relatively cost-effective and require no sophisticated equipment, they have several limitations. Most significant drawbacks include the time required to obtain the final results and the limited response of Campylobacter to biochemical tests. Now, there is one more method which is known as rapid detection methods. Several immunological and molecular techniques are commercially available for the detection and identification of Campylobacter. These techniques offer rapid, accurate, and more sensitive results compared to the traditional methods. Another advantage of these methods is that these techniques can detect Campylobacter cells in the viable but not culturable state. However, some of these methods demand more advanced instruments as well as specially trained individuals. Various immunoassay systems based on antibody-antigen interactions such as enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, also known as ELISA, and latex agglutination are commercially available. Nucleic acid-based methods such as polymerase chain reaction and real-time PCR are also commonly available as commercial kits. Other molecular techniques including pulsed field gel electrophoresis and random amplified polymorphic DNA can also be applied for detection and identification of the organism. So this was all about the safety indicator organism Campylobacter jejuni. Thank you.